Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for flow. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, the first level we can notice is our monthly swing high here, where price hit and reversed drastically. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly. Now here on the weekly, what do we notice? We see a key level right here. So we have multiple reactions acting as support before price broke through, reversing drastically to the downside. So we also notice a key level right here. Where we see price come down, hit, and reverse, acting as support. We see price on this long wick here, acting as resistance, as well over here, acting as resistance. Now, we also notice a key level right here. This price came down, hit, and reversed. Price came back down, hit, and reversed. Multiple reactions acting as support. Now, on our most recent price action, we notice a swing high here, and we have a swing low right here. And we notice we have a high volume break of this key level. So, looking at the chart, these are all of our key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.